Hello, YouTube! We are delighted to share with you today. If you're watching this video, you're in for something interesting. Iran, the homeland of the Aryan people, is the oldest country in history, which also has the oldest living language in the world, Persian. We're here to introduce you to Iran, a country perhaps less known to Western audiences, but rich in history, culture, pristine nature, and cuisine. We will showcase delicious dishes that have been handed down to us from our ancestors. In some segments, we will show you the lives, rituals, and customs of the past. Follow us. Your enthusiasm inspires us to continually improve our work and return to you with better work. I hope you'll watch and enjoy our films. In creating all our videos, we've made every effort to preserve nature. This channel is committed to respecting the environment. Welcome to the Nature's Adventure channel on YouTube. Every Saturday, we upload new films. Wait for them.